Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using this home screen as an example for it. And once your content is open and visible, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. And there we go. It gives you this kind of pop-up right here with two options: scrolling, screenshot, and just share option. Now scrolling screenshot can be accessible, and contents that obviously can be scrolled down. And to give you an example of such a content, it would be accessible in something like Instagram, where you can continuously scroll down and the content is taking the entire page of the device. If you would open up something like settings, which is divided into two sections, so you can scroll here and here, it actually will not work. So you need to have an entire page of just uniform all scrolling down content. Anyway, so that being said, that is how you can capture a screenshot, and once you have done so, you can find it in your photo gallery. As you can see, it is visible right over here, and that's the screenshot. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.